Right. Everyone see today. So I'm going to sending the recorded video. Everyone observe. So first what I am going to discuss is the functions. In that functions, everyone observe. In that function, first set to relation to function. First set, next relation, next function. First three set is there. What is the first one is the set, second one is the relation, and third one is the function, and third one is the function. So these three are relations, these three. So set to relation, relation after that it will come the function. What is the set is? A collection of well-defined objects. A collection of well-defined objects is called as a set. Set symbol is any capital letter of the capital letter of the English alphabets. Okay, na? So set symbol is any capital letter of the English alphabets. Okay, na? So A is the first time writing the set. So first I am taking this set. So set is equal to a collection of well-defined objects. Set is represented by the capital letter. Symbol of set is the capital letter. Is for the so sets are the two types. One is the set builder form. One is the roster form. Okay, na? Well, set builder form means x square elements such that x belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural number. That means we should take natural number of the square numbers. That is equal to roster form is the 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, up to infinite numbers. Up to infinite numbers. Okay, na? So this is the set builder form. Its name is the set builder form. Set builder form. Set builder form. This name is the roster form. This name is the roster form. This name is the roster form. Is it clear, everyone? Next, number of elements. For example, n is equal to natural numbers. It have n number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n numbers I will take. So this is called finite set. Last number we have means name is the finite set. So this name is the finite set. Finite set because of it have the last number. There is no last number, that is called infinite set. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to infinite numbers. No last number. No last number. Therefore, this is called infinite set. Infinite set. This is the infinite set. This is the finite set. This is the finite set. That is the infinite set. Is it clear, everyone? Everyone clear? Next. What I am telling is, first one. So here, finite set is clear. Infinite set is clear. So next, number of subset. What is the subset is? So subset should be written as a some elements are all elements. Some element are all element. It is represented by A is the I am taking the some element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, A is the some elements of the, it is the only some elements we write like that one. Okay, na? Equal, we should take A is equal to equal number of set. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n number. This is the equal. Now we can write equal to n. So both should be represented as a is a subset or equal to n. So A is a subset or equal to n. A is a subset or equal to n. Any one condition should follow, or some elements set or all elements set. Some elements set or all elements set. Is it clear, everyone? So this is the now subsets. So subset, how many subsets we can write? Number of subsets. See, number of subsets. Number of subsets. Number of subset formula is empty set is the empty set is the subset of every set. So itself also sub 2 is there. 2 category is there. One is the empty set is the subset of all these sets. Empty set is the subset of all these sets. Therefore, itself is a set. 2 is the there. Therefore, 2 is the compulsory, and the number of elements we can write n, 2 power of n. Here n is the number of elements in this set. 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 Is it clear, everyone? So this is the set formation. Next, I go through the relation. So next I go through the relation. After then, I enter into the functions. Okay, na? Right. Next relation. 1 to 1 set. Next relation. Next we go through the function. So what is the main points of the set is completed. Now I go through the relation. I go through the relation. So what is the relation is? Everyone see. First, before going to the relation, Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Cartesian product of the two types, single set Cartesian product, double set Cartesian product. So one is a single set Cartesian product and double set Cartesian product. Single set Cartesian product is A cross A. So this is called a single set Cartesian product. Double set Cartesian product is A cross B. A cross B. This is a single set Cartesian product. Only one set is there. Itself is a Cartesian. Itself Cartesian is a single set Cartesian product. Two different sets of the Cartesian product. Now I will write A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Single set Cartesian product is A cross A, that is equal to 1, 2, 3 cross 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. First element we can take. First element write down with one combination. First element write down with two combination. First element write down with three combination. That means first set one element is repeated number of times of the second set elements. Okay, na? So first set each element is repeated with the number of elements of the second set. Okay, na? Now I will write first 1, 1, 1, next 1, 2 order pair, 1, 3 order pair. 3 elements are over second set. Let's start with 2. So next we start with 2. It is also repeated to the elements of the second set. Second set have the 3 elements. Therefore, it is repeated 3 times. Therefore, 2, 1 and 2, 2 and 2, 3. Okay, na? Next third element you can take. third element also repeated 3 times, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 3, 3 comma 3. This is called Cartesian product of the single set. Okay, na? So number of elements here is the 3 elements is there. Therefore, here is the 9 elements is formed. Therefore, number of elements. So number of elements in the Cartesian product is equal to n of A into n of A. First set also A, second set also A. Therefore, n of A into n of A. Number of elements in the first set is the 3. Number of elements in the first set 3. 3 into 3 the 9 element. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, na? Next, this is the example for single set Cartesian product. And second set Cartesian product example we can see. I will take example for the second set Cartesian product. So example number 2. A set is 1, 2, 3. A set is 1, 2, 3. B set is x comma y. Now write down first set A cross B. So first set element, each element is repeated number of times in the B set elements. Okay, na? First set element is the 1, is repeated with x, 1 repeated with y. So 1 comma x and 1 comma y. Next 2 comma x and 2 comma y. 3 comma x and 3 comma y. Okay, now here is, see, here is how many is came? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is came. Here is the 3, here is the 2. 3 into 2 is the 6. Number of elements in the Cartesian product is n of A cross B is equal to n of A into n of B. Right. Okay, right? So next note point is A cross B is not equal to B cross A because of A cross B. First elements are A element. So, but B cross A, so first elements are the B element, therefore not equal. This point should be clear. Cartesian product is completed. Now, I go through the relation. What is the relation? Is the subset of the Cartesian product is called as a relation. Right. Everyone see. Right. Everyone see relation. See relation. Relation symbol is R is a subset or equal. It is only one condition. It is the sum elements or total elements. Okay, na? Of the Cartesian product is called as a relation. R is the symbol of relation. R is the symbol of relation. Symbol of relation. R is the symbol of relation. And A cross B is the symbol of A cross B is the symbol of Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Cartesian product of two different sets. Cartesian product of two different sets. Not single set. Two different sets. Okay, na? So this is the symbols I will write. So our relation means it is the subset of the Cartesian product. Some elements are, so all the elements is a subset. Therefore, that is the R is the subset of A cross B. That is that. Next, if relation will be converted as a function. So now step by step, see, set, next we come to the Cartesian product, next one is a relation, next one is a function. Next I go through the function, okay? Na? Function, relations will, all relations are not a function. Some rules apply, that is the called as a functions. What is the rules for the function is, okay? Na? What is the rule? Now I will write, everyone see, rule is function everyone observe function rule with associate elements of rule with associate elements of set A and set B and set B and set B and set B. B is the one separate set, A is the one separate set, and B is the different elements set. Okay, na? Such that for first rule number 1, this rule must be, you should be remember. So you read and leave it. No, you should be remember. I will tell trick also. You should be remember the trick. Okay, na? Then automatically it should be keep your mind. So it should be standard in our mind. Okay, na? Right. First one is every element of set A. Every element of set A. Every element of set A, there should be, every element of set A, there should be, I send material also, see in that one, there should be image in set B, image in set B. In set B. That means at A element I put the bulb, its image is on B. Okay, na? So I will see every element of A set, 1, 2, 3, and this is the A set, and this is the B set. This is the B set. So this is the B set. So here is what is the X, Y, Z, and P. Okay, na? So I put the bulb at 1, its image is X. I put the bulb at 2, its image is Y. I put the bulb at 3, its image is Z. Every element of A set should have the image. Sir, extra image is there, na, sir, B? No objection. But every element of set A should have, every element of set A should have the image in B. So B have the extra images, no objection. B have the extra images, no objection. But every element of set A have the images in set B. That is the main point. Images set B. Okay, na? In images set B. Next, I go through the second rule. What is the second rule? Is see, everyone. First rule is every element of set A, that is the set A is the domain, set B is the codomain. Okay, na? Every elements of set A have the images in set B. Okay, na? So see, 1 have image, 2 have image, 3 have image, no objection. No objection. Okay, na? So next rule number 2 is, two images does not have one pre-image. Two images does not have one pre-image. So now see, two images that should not have one pre-image. One pre-image should not have one pre-image. Two images should not have one pre-image. So figure I will draw. See, here is the 1, 2, 3 is the A set, and B set is A, B, C, D. Two images have, these are the images. So these are the images. This is the codomain. This is the codomain. This is the domain. This is the domain. Every element of the domain is called pre-image. Image before elements. These all are called pre-images. Elements are called pre-images. Elements are called pre-images. Pre-images. These elements are called images. These elements are called images. Okay, na? Two images should not have one pre-image. Two images should not have one pre-image. Okay, na? Two images should not have one pre-image. Two images have the pre-image, not function. So understand? So not function. First, every element of the A set have the images in the B set. Rule number 1. And rule number 2 is the two images should not have the one pre-image. Two images should not have the one pre-image. One pre-image. That point should be remembered. Immediately not a function. Okay, na? Right. I will write one more example. See. 1, 2, 3. X, Y, Z is the B set. This is the B set. This is the A set. One element have one image. One element have one image. Therefore, so two images does not have one pre-image. Two images does not have one pre-image. Therefore, it is a function. It is a function. Every element have images, and two elements does not have one pre-image. Therefore, it is a function. Okay, na? All right. See the one more example. 1, 2, 3, and A set and B set is the X, Y, Z, P. X, Y, Z, P. X, Y, Z, P. So here is, I am going to write, here is the two images does not have the same. So 1 and 2 elements have the same image. So two pre-images have the same element, no objection. So right, every element have the two images should not have one pre-image. Two elements have this is also function. It is also function. Okay, na? It is also function. So you should be remember 3 examples I will write basing the 3 examples. So you should be remember. Okay, what is the domain? What is the codomain? what is the range, what is the domain. Every matter is, I will send today also material. In that one is the definitions, every point you should be see and note down. So this is a simple topic, easy for understanding. Everyone must be joined, and this is the important topic for CET and JEE and PU also. So these type of the topics is came in simple and a logical topic. You should be, okay na? You should be prepared, means definitely we can be success. Definitely we can be success, okay na? So everyone observe. What we are going to telling is, first one, this point is completed, domain and codomain and a range. Domain and codomain and a range. Domain, codomain and a range. Function is clear now. Everyone 2 points should be remembered. And the examples also should be remembered. You should understand the function. Okay now? To one first rule number, every element of the A set, domain set, have the images in the codomain set. Okay now? Next, two images, fingers, you can see, fingers, two images never have one pre-image. This is wrong. V shape is wrong. Okay na? This is wrong. It is not a function. It's easy for remembering second condition. So V shape you can put. Two images should not have the one pre-image. Okay na? So two elements have the one image, no objection. Two images never have the one pre-image. Okay na? Right. Next, what is the domain? What is the codomain? What is the range? Okay na? Domain. First I will draw the figure. Everyone see. This is the 1, 2, 3. This is called A set. So A set is called a domain. Okay na? A set is called a domain. These are all elements. Next I will write domain. Next B set. B set elements X, Y, Z, P. Okay na? X, Y, Z, P. So this is called codomain. Domain elements is equal to A set elements. That is the 1, 2, 3 is the domain set elements. Codomain is equal to B set elements. That is equal to X, Y, Z, P. Next, ranges. See the ranges. So everyone observe ranges. This is also function. Mapping elements are range. Only mapping elements are range. This is the range. This is the range. Range is equal to X, comma, Y. Only mapping elements are called in range. That is the point. This is the range. This is the range. Okay, na? This part is the range. This total part is the codomain. This total part is the domain. Okay, na? Clear, everyone? Everyone is clear, na? This part is, everyone is clear, na? Next, I go through the next point here. So, range is completed, codomain is completed. What is the real function? Real function means, so real function means, everyone see, a real function. I will write, here is the real function. Next point is the real function. Real function. Real function. Real function is symbol is the F. Function symbol is F. Two dots is called such that. So our mapping. So two dots are called. This is the symbol for function.